Okay, this will be a short video about the Amazon Fire TV stick with XBMC installed on it. This is the packaging here. This is a wall mount power adapter remote, HDMI extension, power cable, and this is the actual receiver. Now what you will have to do is, on the side of the receiver, there's a spot for this small input here. Right there, you can see it. That will go in as so. Then this will just hook to power on your TV, or you can mount it to the wall. As you can see here, or maybe not, I do have the Amazon Fire TV installed into one of my HDMI inputs, and then over here to the USB input. I don't know if you can see that. Something like that.
It was already recording.
These are a few of the screensavers that will come up if you simply just get it running, turn it on, and just let it run. They're actually pretty amazing pictures. But we're going to go ahead and get to the program. This should be the home screen you'll see as soon as you get the Fire TV up and running, or Fire TV stick anyway. What we're going to do is, I'm using the remote's D-pad. It's the circle up here as directional. You can go over, back, and down, of course. Then the center is select button. So I'm going to go down all of these movies and games. You really can't use any of them. This Fire TV stick is just for this one program, and I'll explain why. I'll go over to my account, or well, I went down to settings and then over to my account. My account is, this one is JD, it's a separate account that we have set up. The ones you will receive will say Imagine Garcia, I believe, and you'll want to make sure Imagine Garcia stays there the whole time. So what we'll go ahead and do is, when you're on here, and if you try to switch the Amazon account by deregistering it, it will delete the program that we have installed on there. So you do not want to do that. You want to make sure you just leave this alone, and make sure no one deregisters the account. So I'll go over to, let me just show you where we're at. We're at settings on the far bottom. Then we go over to applications. Oh, actually first you will need to go to system and set up your network to be able to get the Wi-Fi. So mine is registered and we are connected with a good signal strength. Now I'll go to applications. This is where you're going to find the program. You'll click on applications, you'll go down to manage all installed applications, then you will go down to and find the XBMC application. You'll click on it, then launch it. This is what you should see. You may also see some icons down at the bottom of the screen. You'll want to just go ahead and click on videos. Then you'll go over to video add-ons, and then now your add-ons will come up. And the main ones here are PrimeWire and Genesis, Ice Films, Navi, Project Free TV, and Phoenix. Those are going to be most of your main movie and TV shows. Now I'm going to go ahead and go to Genesis because it's my favorite. It's set up very similar to Netflix. What you'll go to, you can start at movies up at the top. And we'll just go to genres real quick and show you the different genres. There's quite a few. There's plenty more. Yeah, if you want to. Okay, sorry about the camera angle difference, but here we go. Yeah, there's quite a few different genres here. I'm gonna go ahead and go to animation because this is what you really want to see. It's kids movies. So we have Big Hero 6, Alvin and the Chipmunks, Shrek, Brave, Wall-E, there's quite a few. Frozen, of course. What we're going to do is, let's go ahead and click on Frozen. And I'm going to show you the different types of streams that are available. This is just in this one Genesis, but it's fairly the same for all of the different applications within XBMC. So what we're waiting for now is for the Frozen streams to come up. It looks like it's working, and now it's about to pop up. So we'll have, what you really want to look for is just over here, the 1080p and HD. So you really don't need to pay attention to the other parts. The only reason would be, like, see, there's probably 5 different ice films here, ice films movie reels. If one of them doesn't work, the probability is that most of them aren't going to work. So you might as well jump to different ice films, like 180 upload, something like that. It's kind of technical. I really don't know a whole lot about it, other than if one doesn't work, the other ones probably won't work if they're the same. So let's go down to, and it's just showing you the difference. HD and HQ is high quality, HD is high definition, obviously. And then if we go up, 1080p is even better quality than high definition. So let's go ahead and pick one. And now it's attempting to open the stream. You have the option to cancel real quick if you want. But we got the stream open now. So here we go. You can kind of hear some of it pop up. Now it's playing, which is great. Now I'm gonna stick this in here. If I just hit the middle button here, I will get my options to view here. So that's fairly quick, you know, within maybe 10 minutes of getting it, installing it, setting your network up, and going over to the application, you're already watching a very high definition, very popular movie. Now this isn't the only thing. I'm going to go ahead and pause the movie, hit the back button that's on this controller here, and it's going to take us back to our streams. Now if it's not a good quality that you don't like, just go ahead and pick a different one. And it will remove the one that was already playing and play the different quality that you tried to play. So I'm going to go ahead and go back. And if you notice, the TV or the show that you were just paused is still there. So you can go back, look for other movies if you're not happy or can't find another good one that you want to watch. You can always go push over to the left, then go down to this full screen setup, and it'll go right back to the movie. So what I'm going to do is keep going back until I go out of Genesis, go back in Genesis just because I want to show you the TV shows. Now I'm going to click on TV shows. Now all of these have the ability to search. You could search people, or you could search just movies. Now if you search, you're going to want to make sure that obviously you spell it correctly. I'm just going to type in, let's say I'm just going to type in fishing shows. Now there is the ability to get any type of Bluetooth keyboard or game controller on here, which could make this process a lot faster. I don't have it set up for this one yet. Just any Bluetooth system would work. Either a better controller or an actual Bluetooth keyboard. Now, I typed in fishing. We got Hooked on Fishing and America's Deadliest Seas. I really was hoping that other ones would come up. Not sure why we didn't. But let's just go back. TV shows. Let's just go to most popular TV shows. Now we have very popular TV shows here: Big Bang Theory, Vampire Diaries, Blacklist. And Blacklist is fairly new. Let's click on Blacklist. There are hundreds of thousands of TV shows on here. Now we have season 2 of Blacklist. Let's see how up to date we are with that. There's quite a few, so let's go ahead. Okay, this one aired, looks like Friday, Thursday or Friday of last week. That was about 4 days ago, so not bad. And let's go ahead and click it and see what kind of streams we have available already up to date. And now it's a very popular TV show, so we should have some high definition streams available. And this all depends, the streams available and TV shows and movies available depend on how often they put them on the system. So we have HD, very high quality. That's pretty good. Pretty good high quality stuff. Let's go ahead and click on one and see if it'll play for us. It should remove Frozen that's still in the background. You could always click back over to that until you try to play a new one. So it's gonna go ahead and play. Now it's paused right now because it's buffering. Now, I mean, it just goes quick, fast, in a hurry. Okay, good movie or good show. So what we're gonna do is pause it. Now pausing will allow the movie to catch up with any other streaming system. Pausing as soon as you play something will allow the system to catch up and get to its high quality resolution for you. But that's pretty much the basic stuff here. I'm gonna go ahead and back out of all of this. Go back to hopefully get out to the, there we go, the applications. Now there's all kinds of stuff. There's live television here that you can see if you can get that working. Most of these work. I haven't had time to go through everything. There is quite a few things. There's Project Free TV, Phoenix, Navi X is one of the most popular ones. I've heard that Sports Devil, you're allowed to see pay-per-views for free and any sports that are online, live sports, for free. So let's see what we can find here. I'm not very educated on this one. I've really never used it, but it doesn't hurt to go try these and see what's going on. That's obviously Europe, with the EU after it. GE, not sure where that's from, but like football, it's not football, it's actually soccer, because these are all over the world. But anyway, that's pretty much just, you know, your basic thing to get through here and installed. They karaoke, YouTube, quite a few things. If you have any problems or questions, just go ahead and give me a call. The main thing, I'm going to go ahead and push the home button. Here it'll take me back to the screen. The main thing about this setup is do not change this account. If you change that account or back out of it, it will delete the application that we've gotten on there for you. Now, sometimes the Fire TV sticks do update, and with them updating, it kicks you out of this program and it'll take you back to the home screen, in which case you will have to relaunch the program every time. They update maybe anywhere from 1 to 5 times a day. So if it kicks you out of a movie or something like that, like, don't get discouraged, just go back and hopefully you can be able to find it, get right back into the position where you were in less than a minute, and just keep watching. I hope this was informational, and just go ahead and give me a call if you have any problems. Thank you.